Today we will be solving a question of differentiation where y equals to log root under 1 plus sin x square x divided by 1 minus sin x is given, and we have to find dy upon dx. That is differentiation of this one. For solving the question, we can write y equals to log 1 plus sin square x divided by 1 minus sin x whole to the power 1 by 2. Now we can write it as 1 by 2 log 1 plus sin square x divided by 1 minus sin x. Now in the next step we will be using the properties of log, so we can write log 1 plus sin square x minus log 1 minus sin x. There's a formula that log a upon b, then we can write then the formula as log a minus log b. This is the formula of log. So now we will have to differentiate this, and dy by dx 1 by 2 will be written here. Now log of x is differentiated as 1 upon x, so 1 plus sin square x. Now the differentiation of 1 is 0 and sin square x will be 2 sin x, and again the differentiation of sin x will be cos x. Now again the differentiation of log 1 minus sin x will be 1 upon 1 minus sin x, and differentiation of 1 is 0 and differentiation of sin x is cos x, so minus cos x will be written here. Now we can write it as 1 by 2. Using the formula of 2 sin x cos x, we can write sin 2x divided by 1 plus sin square x, and minus and minus, this minus will be written as plus cos x divided by 1 minus sin x. So this is the differentiation of the function y.